2020 Yamaha G3 Gator Tough Edition, 17 foot long, 54 inches wide, running a 65 horse Yamaha jet drive with tunnel hull. Customer states we got some sparky spaghetti problems going on up here due to a battery that has exploded. Also, a previous shade tree mechanic decided to hook up a 3-bank battery charger wrong, and the entire 12-volt system was being powered by the battery charger for some reason. Customer also states wants some disco lights up in his Bimini top, all hidden wiring. Customer also wants some kind of boom box so he can turn this thing into a nightclub when the sun goes down. Customer also states that a 9-inch TV was not good enough to watch reruns of Golden Girls while he's fishing, so we're gonna upgrade that as well. This one will be called Project I Should Have Made Better Life Decisions, and we're starting right here, right now. TBNation Outdoors Southeast.